Hello everybody, it's a video to show you what my L96A1 is like so far. I promised you that I would make one out of Knex, and this is the first version, and I'm going to make a couple of improvements for the second. So the good parts about this is the bolt action mechanism, which is just like a rod in there. It's just got lots of spacers and then a spring which goes out to that as well. Then the scope's nice also. The barrel's long and nice. Then this is a really solid frame. Bad parts are this is all a bit cheap really. That's all I've managed for so far, because that wobbles around a lot because it's only held on by that, which is just that really. Then the other bad parts is the Mac. It's got no lock in it, so it just keeps falling out every so often. And then I've got the trigger, which isn't really much use because only ever does that. Then I have stock, which is a bit pretty empty because it's only a frame like that so far, but I'm going to change all that. I'm going to keep it like that, but I'm going to change stuff on it, so I'm gonna like make it solid and everything. So I'll show you the bolt action mechanism, which is fairly decent. Camera saying that. Ah, lovely. So this is it. It can be changed for left-handed and right-handed. So I'm going to do the left-handed one. So you pull it back and then let go. The barrel does come back a bit, actually, but that doesn't really matter. I'll sort that out in a bit. And then right-handed is just the same. Then really trigger should be improved and everything, and the scope's nice because you can look down it and aim it and stuff like that. I would get like a airsoft scope or something and attach it onto there, which I might do actually. I might just buy an L96 out of airsoft or something. I don't know. I would like that. But anyway, this is probably worth all the time I've put into it so far. And if you can think of any like stuff for the mag or anything that you'd recommend to me, that would be great. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 8 parts wide with a grey rod like that, and that's practically what it is. It's held together like that, and then the frame is just like a cube bit, which is like that. So it's got like one of the round circles in with the white rod, and etc. And it's so basically that's it. If you can think of a mechanism, that would be great. So basically the mag goes in like that. So it sits in there. If you could make it, and then make a video to help me, then that would be mostly appreciated. And so that's my L96. And thanks for watching. Comment, rate and subscribe. Thank you very much.